This is Kawalwa running Dalampagak girls here. This is may pabay-babay ka pa. Mabunggo ka na. Basta ang preno sa too ha. Si Kari todo. Tuloy. This is Kawalwa running. Oh, kabalo ka na, dahil bisikleta lang. Basta ang preno kung mabunggo ka sa too. Yeah.
Your turn?
Yeah. I'm finished already that.
Come on, come on.
I'm finished already.
It's okay.
Nah.
I want school anymore.
I don't like because the handle is sweet with crime. easy, ari mo. Dahil hindi ka na magbuhi da. Dahil hindi ka na magpabulos ah.
Oh, ikaw na?
Ha?
Ah. One more.
Nating mabunggo. See, she like now very much because she's thinking like bike. But this, she cannot balance that.
Why that one has no light?
Ah,
The brake lights. Auntie's one.
yeah,
Mine has the brake
maybe it's not working. Now the problem is waiting what time he finished. Still standing here. Our role here is like a joker now. The two queen is here enjoying. The two joker is standing and waiting here. Ah? Ka naman?